Hey guys, welcome back to Dwood Reviews. Today I want to go over this multimeter again. I've done a video on this previously when I first got it, but now that I've been using it for a while, I wanted to go over it again. What I love about this meter is that there's no settings. You don't have to set anything. It automatically sets itself to whatever you're using, whether it's on a vehicle, whether it's on a house, AC, DC, 220, 110, whatever volts or amps you're using it for. What I also like is it can store back here. You can use the probes to stick it into a socket if you need to, hands-free, so that you're not having to have a third hand. Now, let's go outside and let me show you how I used it on installing some 220 and 110 plugs in my carport. If you like videos like this, go ahead and click that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything, but really helps me out a lot. Okay, like I said, we've done a review on this before, but I want to go back over it since I love this thing so much. There's no settings on this. It does it all itself. The probes here, take these ends off, give you a longer probe. And then, I just want to show you how I check for voltage with this without having to touch anything. Now, by all means, I'm not an expert in this, so know what you're doing before you do it. So what I'm going to do, this is a 220 plug that I just put in, and I'm going to place one in one side of that was my black wire. This is going to be my red wire. And as you can see, it lights up and shows 240 volts, shows that it's good. Now there should be 110 on each side of this. So if I then go into my neutral inside, now you show 120, which is 110 basically, you know, same thing. Same thing if I go to this one, 110. Go back into here, I've got 220. If I go down here to my regular plug, this is a 110 plug. I do the same thing, go in each hole. I've got 110, as you can see. As you can see, the ideal multimeter here that has no settings that you have to adjust or set manually works great for household and vehicle projects and makes it easy for the novice and DIYer to do electrical work. If you're interested in this, go ahead and click on that link in the description and get yourself one.